International Industries Limited, IIL, is the premium producer of cold-rolled tubes, galvanized iron pipes, API line pipe, polyethene pipes in Pakistan. IIL's production capacity of steel pipes is the highest in Pakistan. It is the market leader in all segments of pipes within the country and also has a significant export footprint in Asia, the Americas, the GCC region and Africa. With over 30 acres of production facility, IIL has a state-of-the-art cold-rolled mill, 11 cold-rolled tube mills, 3 cold-rolled slitters, 5 hot-rolled tube mills, 2 hot-rolled slitters, 4 galvanizing plants and 4 extrusion lines proves IIL the largest production facility in the country.
We started manufacturing of pipes in 1966 and today are the leading manufacturer of steel pipes and tubes in this country. Our greatest core values have always been our ethics, and we have always operated and are known for operating as a responsible corporate citizen. Our product quality is known to be the best in the market. Our return to the shareholders is known to be on the higher side. Today we are one of the top 25 companies in this country, the largest steel consumer in the country, and our group turnover is in excess of 40 billion rupees.
50 years since I joined the company. After we had been through the crisis of having lost East Pakistan and a great deal of money, I was made managing director of International Industries, a very small company in those days with a paid-up capital of $1 million. As 2011 financial year came to a close, which was my last year in the company produced some 200,000 tons, had an equity of 5 or 6 billion rupees. How did International Industries grow? We had improved the operations, expanded them, added equity, had been very fair with payouts to our shareholders. But bottom line, it comes down to the people and the efforts they made who have really made International Industries what it is today.